Hey Lisa, my name is Jessica from Peterson SEO, and this morning I had the honor of speaking with Angela, and she thought you would be interested in this video and may even be able to help us get it into the right hands. So today we're going to go over just a few tips that you guys can apply right away, and it's really going to help your online presence and getting more organic leads for all of your services in all of your locations. But it is important to note that 70% of your organic leads are going to come from this website. So it is really important that your website be completely optimized so you can capture all of those leads. So we are on your website, as you can see, and you do have a nice website. It does look like it's been done professionally. You do have separate service pages and separate location pages, which is exactly what you want. However, Google does not like um, duplicated content. All content on all pages do have to be original content with their own individual keywords. And if you actually go to these location pages, you will see that it's the exact same content on every page, just switching out the names of the locations. So that is actually preventing you guys from being indexed in a lot of these locations for really important keywords for your services. Now, if we scroll down here and take a look, this is good. You do have interlinking between pages, which is very important. So that's good. Local buyer intent keyword for carpet cleaning. That's good. Um, Looks like this whole homepage is solely about carpet cleaning, which is okay, but generally speaking, your homepage should be like a summary page of every single service that you have, and just a little bit of information and some keywords so that you can be found on your homepage for each of your services. So now Google does not rank based on appearance, it's all based on content. And you do have some decent content here, but you are going to need a little bit more. Your content needs to be focused around your local buyer intent keywords. Those are the keywords people are actively searching. I was trying to find where you had it. Like this, carpet cleaning in here. Yeah. So, um, local buyer intent keywords are the keywords people are actively searching in your area for the service that you're offering. They may not know the name of the company, but they know the service, and that's what people are searching. So Google wants your homepage to have like 1,500 words of content focused around those local buyer intent keywords. And if you have competition that has more content, you're going to need more. Now, all your pages need to be built around those local buyer intent keywords. All the pages need original content and their own keywords. Um, Google has little robots that index all of these pages looking for that original content and the keywords so they can index you, rank you, and put you in front of your customers. So now if we take a look at one of your competitors, they have an okay website. This is Burke's Restoration. They do have separate pages for each of their services as well. They do apparently have some service area pages, but I can't seem to access them. They must be pretty well hidden. They do have interlinking. Um, they do have local buyer intent keywords. I generally work with restoration companies, which is why I'm using restoration for your competition. Um, So yeah, they have a decent website. It's not fantastic. It'd be super easy for you guys to beat. Making sure that you have enough pages for your service areas. Every service area that has search volume for your services should have their own page, their own content, their own keywords, and then be supported by the SEO so you can be found in all of those areas. If we take a quick look in Ahrefs, you guys have a score of 11 out of 100 in Google's Trust Flow, which isn't terrible, isn't great, but isn't terrible. This is based 100% on referring domains and backlinks. Now, not all are created equal, so it is very important that you're only going after the highly authoritative backlinks, which are going to be ones that are directly related to your business. And they do also need to be do follow links. That way they share power with your website to help you rank. Now, Google only gives you credit for one backlink per referring domain, so all of these extras are considered spam. You do have several pages that have been crawled. So it looks like you have 2,800 keywords that have been indexed. And you are seeing about 1,400 people to your website per month, which does seem like a lot. There's still considerable volume that you're missing out on, even though this does look like a lot. Majority of your volume is actually coming from blogs. Real quick, if I look at your do follow backlinks and domains, out of 186, only 122 are do follows. So that means only 122 out of these 2,000 backlinks are actually producing you any real power. If we take a quick look at your keywords organically, you do have several on the home page, but if you look, most of these keywords are blog related. So those are not buyer intent keywords. You can drive traffic with blogs. And when blogs are done correctly, they can actually be like a superpower. Like they can provide you with your own guest posts. But when the blogs are written, they have to be focused around the keywords you're trying to rank for. And those keywords need to link back to your pages. And then your blogs need those backlinks to support those. So that doesn't appear exactly what's happening with yours. Most of your first page has to do with either carpet cleaning or blogs. So carpet cleaning is great. There's a ton of volume. But if you're looking for higher end services rather than a couple $100s a job, you want $5,000-$10,000 a job, then you definitely want to focus more in on those restoration type jobs. Now, if we take a look at your competitor, you guys are doing better in several ways. They do have a higher rating in Google based on their referring domains and backlinks. 228 out of 238 are do follows. So you actually need to beat 228 of those to be able to outrank them for the water restoration and mold. They have been indexed for over 400 keywords, and they are only currently getting about 300 people on average per month for the restoration. So if you actually were to take a look, even though you're getting more traffic, most of your traffic is blog. But as you can see, their keywords are relevant buyer intent keywords. So even though they're getting less traffic, they're getting traffic that is converting into customers. So you really do need to refocus in on those keywords so you're getting better conversions. And then last is the Google Maps section. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section in every location and every service area for your most important keywords, because 30% of people go straight to the maps and won't go anywhere else. So if you're not listed here, then you send all those leads to your competition. So the biggest factor in ranking in the top 3 is citations, and that's going to be the name of your business, address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of places like decks, yellow pages, Instagram, etc. And so you're going to need a lot more of those than your top competitor. And when you follow all of these tips that I provided you today, your website can be number one across Google in every single location, service area, and for every business, every service that you guys have using those local buyer intent keywords with the proper SEO behind it. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're able to apply these tips. I would really love to get your feedback on what you thought of this video. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to hearing from you soon.